Well, so to continue on that note, what do you think the student should concentrate to get into a core fields as you said?
So many people is thinking that so there are jobs also four sides. So the people will should have the subject knowledge very much when compared to your IT sector. So they should get very well trained in those subjects in your specialization. I mean the triple branch and mechanical branch. So both are applying for AP, Genco, Transco. So for central government jobs like JTO and Power Grid. Okay, so the subject what you are going to learn from your specialization, which the faculty members in your department are going to taught the subject. So you should be thorough with the subject in order to get a job in those sectors, I mean the government sector field. So you should be thorough with the subject. So you should listen with concentration every day, every subject. You should listen very concentrated. So that subject will be revision by you when coming to home. So by day by day. So
Okay.
day by day you should learn everything from that topics which you are going to start on that day. So like that. So many books are there. So textbook knowledge is important. So don't go for all in one.
Yeah,
So okay. So
that's a
those are
major
the
mistake what
major
all
mistake
people.
what the student is going to do in their uh, graduation. Okay. So textbook is knowledge is very important. So whatever the textbooks prescribed for those subjects for which the faculty is going to,
Take class.
so they are going to say for you. Okay. So which for this subject, so the prescribed books are, so these books are prescribed for this subject. So like that. So those books should be followed by you and get some knowledge from that book. Okay. So you should solve the objective question papers. Objective questions will be there, no?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
at the last of the end of the book, the
Okay.
chapter wise they are going to give the objective questions.
So
So those should be solved by yourself by learning theory from the book. Okay. So after reading all the subject knowledge, so you should go for solving those questions so that are given at the end of the text. So by that only, so we are going to have the pattern for AP, Gengo, Transport, everything will be so objective type.
okay.
Okay, option type you are going to get. So you should be solve every question which will be given at the end of the textbook.
Do you think any coaching is necessary?
Coaching is also there. So like the Hyderabad AS Institute is there. So there they are going to have every subject. So whichever the subject you taught in your engineering, I mean in your engineering BTech studies. So those subjects according to the objective type, so they will be used by. So one of the institute I know is AS Institute. So many NIT lecturers are going to taught there. So good knowledge will be gained by doing there. Going there.
Fine. Chosen, how about aptitude even in, what is the weightage of aptitude, studying aptitude in core field? Is it necessary to study aptitude?
Yeah, from 2 years onwards. Last 2 years, last year onwards, AP Transport Genco has added those also aptitude also for 25 marks. So out of 100 marks, we are going to have 75 core. Nothing but your specialization subjects will be there
Okay.
for 75 marks objective paper. So 25 marks will be from aptitude.
Okay.
Okay, so you should concentrate on that also. So I don't know about sectional cutoff in those two. I mean aptitude and
Okay.
core.
Uh,
Okay, so by the combination of those two, so they are going to do the cutoff marks for selecting the candidate in the written examination. So direct after the written examination, selected candidates will be directly provided a job in those sectors.
there is no
There is
interview.
no interview, I think. So
Okay.
just there is certificate verification, I think. So
Okay.
on that only, so they are going to interview, I think.
Okay.
So certificate verification is important in the sector. After writing your examination, you may qualify for the job.
So other than core and non-IT, what is your opinion on banking sector? These days
Banking
many people.
so nowadays many banks are giving appointments for clerical posts. So PDO, production officers. Banking sector is also important only. So but many graduates, I mean, so only BSc degree, BAcom degree, so they show interest on that. So many engineering students will think that so they will go in their specialization only, so I mean in any industry, engineering works only.
Okay.
So many people will show interest on those sectors.
So you think it is good thing or bad thing? I mean,
Banking, it's also good now.
for engineering graduates.
For engineering graduates, it's also good now.
POs,
POs means very good post for
Okay.
engineering graduates. So many will show interest in engineering field only
Okay.
by the engineering
So
students.
the career prospects are good in banking also for
Banking
engineering
also.
if you concentrate on probationer officer.
Provisional officer or clinical post.
Okay.
That's a good. It's also good now.
Okay. So anything else you want to share with your juniors?
Okay, so not only studying getting BTech degree is nothing nowadays. Okay, so you should concentrate on the subject what you are going to taught in your degree. So that is important. Okay, so my opinion for students is so get the train good with subjects what you are going to learn from your specialization in engineering degree. So concentrate on that, so you are going to get a job. So don't waste your time. Okay. That's all.
And do you encourage students to participate in extracurricular and co-curricular activities?
Yeah. So that is also important now. So not only studies.
Many people say that you should differentiate with the people who you attend for the interview. The 100 people are there are 2 posts. You should differentiate between. How can you differentiate? Can you differentiate with the participation of paper presentations or anything like that?
Nothing that so many people will think that so by participating in that so we are going to waste some money. So if you want to go any conference, so if you want to go any conference or workshop or in the engineering department, so they will give so for every student so they are going to find some fee.
Yeah.
Okay, so many people will think that so what so we are going to pay some fee, so like that they will think. So you are going to gain so much knowledge by attending the conferences, workshops. So you are going to gain some experience. So how to
Did you attend, Joseph? Embarrassing question.
yeah. I attended.
When you were a student.
When I am a student, I attended as a faculty. I mean, as I work as a assistant professor. So in the college only, so we have so many conducted so many workshops.
Okay.
By students and also the faculty members. So for faculty, so one of the conference. So for students, also separate.
Fine. Thank you. Nice talking to you, Joseph. Thank you very much.